now, vaccinations are said to be the one thing that can stop people from becoming very ill and even dying. But tonight, we're learning that hundreds of shots are sitting around still waiting for an arm here in Hamilton. And this news follows a weekend of unfilled appointments. That's where Nicole Martin is live tonight with the latest. While today, seniors over the age of 70 were lined up out the door at the Wellington Mass Vaccination Clinic in Hamilton today. Doctors are saying there are still vaccines, including more than 600, Nicole.
You're right, Phil. Unfortunately, the city of Hamilton's telling us that only 188 appointments were booked here at First Ontario Centre, and that's with the availability of 850 booking times for this site. The news is leaving some residents here in Hamilton wondering why the city isn't adapting its vaccine rollout, especially when others like Toronto are making major changes of their own. It was eerily quiet at the Wellington Street vaccine site Saturday, but today dozens of seniors 70 and older were lining up and waiting for their appointments.
The way they're talking and all that, they got vaccine leftovers and nobody's booking and that, so might as well get it done.
But even with more people in line, doctors are tweeting that there are still appointments available at the Wellington Street Vaccine Clinic all week. Dr. Jen Brash is calling on the province and mayor to expand eligibility, saying this is urgent. Other residents agree.
My daughter's long-term care. My son-in-law is ICU at one of the in health science here, and I'm the babysitter for my granddaughters.
But this woman was turned away because she doesn't meet the current qualifications to get a shot at a mass clinic. She's under the age of 70.
I came down here because I saw that this place had extra doses and things like that. So I'm just kind of hoping, okay, Hamilton, let's get with it, open things up and see about making a difference that way.
On Morning Live, Hamilton's mayor says opening up to other groups will prompt supply issues.
65 and under, that's where the most of the population actually resides, and that's where the biggest number of needs are going to be in terms of vaccination. So that's going to be a particular challenge, and we'll open up other facilities as that demand starts to increase.
But other cities are changing strategies. After calls from ICU doctors, Toronto is planning to bring vaccines to high-risk workplaces, and they may utilize mobile vaccination units.
We hope to be able to take it to workplaces, for example, where we know there's a higher risk just given all of the circumstances, and to other areas where we know people are more vulnerable. And so we're working very hard on plans to do that.
Here in Hamilton, First Ontario Centre will eventually be able to facilitate up to 3,000 shots a day when there's enough supply. Today, we talked to people who are rolling up their sleeves who said that they were surprised with how quiet it was inside.
No business at all.
Really all that busy. Really?
No, it's crazy. It's I thought it'd be packed, but there's
it was very
seats
smooth.
all over the place. So, however,
it was smooth though. We got through very well.
Yeah.
More than 111,000 doses have been administered in total in Hamilton so far, just over 10,000 here at First Ontario Centre over the past 2 weeks. We did ask Hamilton Public Health for an interview today. No one was available to go on camera, but they did provide us a statement after we asked why regions like Halton are able to offer up vaccines to people 60 and older starting tomorrow. And they provided the statement saying Public Health is using the provincial booking system, not their own. It's up to the province to lower the age for the mass clinics on its system. The city telling us tonight that they are hopeful that the age threshold will be lowered at some point this week. Taz, back to you.